Now I am. Hello guys, this is my shelter.
And I'm Brandon.
Of course you are. Of course you are.
No, Dr. Brandon.
This is Frenchfries that's talking. No. Frenchfries is the random voice that you hear. So this is my shelter for cows. Shelter for cows. Safe. They are safe for cows. And it's a no-kill shelter. And there are no adoptions available. So yeah. And this is like my staff lounge.
Spoiler, it killed.
What? You don't see that. So so it's on life right now, right? Okay. They're gonna die. They're all gonna die. So get on top of here and all the babies die.
No. Oh my god, you monster. What's wrong with you? You're getting on fire and dying. There's a fat cow down there. Kill it. He lived too long. When cows live too long, they go fat. Cows too fat. They live too long, they must die. A scientific reason.
True.
Die.
Well, so, yeah.
They die one by one.
More like 2 times 2. And yeah. They drop cooked meat and sometimes raw. I don't know why, but they just do. Too bad. Maybe in the next update, baby cows or baby anything will drop anything. And XP too. Wouldn't that be cool?
The only thing would that be cool if they added an NPC called Frenchfries.
True. What if they added French fries inside the, like, Minecraft? That'd be so cool.
That's what I just said.
No, never
No
mind.
one got these French fries. No one got these French fries. YouTubers, she sucks. No, maybe she doesn't. I don't know.
Well, bye.
No one got these French fries.
What? Bye.